Hello and welcome. So this is my first video on YouTube. I have set up my channel for a while now, but I haven't posted anything, so I'm really excited to be here today to present you my first video, but I'm also a little bit nervous. Yeah. So let's get started. So my name is Salwa Petersen. I am from Chad. I am of Gorane nomadic trip. We have been in northern Chad, Central Sahara and the Sahel region for thousands of years. So it's a really, really beautiful part of the world, and it's so pristine and it's just so beautiful. I have some pictures here in my office, as you can see. If you're interested, I'm more than happy to post a video here for you. I will upload one. I have so much footage. I could do something out of it, and you could follow me on Instagram to have a glimpse. So to come back to today's video, I want to tell you today about everything you ever wanted to know about the Chébé powder, which is a hair care recipe. And but before I dive into it, I wanted to tell you a little bit more about myself. So then I am Gorane, and the Gorane women are well known to be very much invested into the beauty rituals. I mean, it's very much part of daily life. We make our own incenses, our own body, skincare, hair care recipe from scratch. If the recipes are really very old, they can be traced back for sometimes thousands of years. They pass down from mother to daughter, and this for several, I don't know, countless generations. And one recipe that has been well known lately outside Chad is Chébé. And all those recipes actually are not just beauty recipes, they also play a really key role in different rites of passages. For example, when the young girl passes puberty, she's taught to a number of beauty rituals. When a woman gets married, it's really a big deal, and a lot of those beauty rituals, a lot of those beauty recipes come into play. When a woman becomes a mother also, you have a lot of those rituals that play a key role. And when later the woman becomes premenopausal, or what you call in English a crone, then there are also more rituals, and then she comes into a role where she passes those recipes to the next generation. It's really part of daily life. So to come back to Chébé, it has been well known outside Chad in the last couple of years. I have received a lot of inquiries about it, and I have posted a blog on my website shortly after a video was circulating online, and people started to inquiring what it was, and it went absolutely viral. And I have hosted a giveaway. I thought, okay, well, 12 people are going to enter, but you were hundreds of you, and it's just amazing how so many of you were interested and wanted to try. So I'm here today to tell you more about what is Chébé. I have written before a frequently asked question blog post, but a lot of you still had questions, so I got lots of emails, and so then I will get in. So thank you for watching this introduction. In the next video, we will start to answer all your questions one by one. I am very much looking forward to it. In the meantime, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you will know as soon as I upload new information. And I also have an Instagram page, Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest board, so link there with me so we can take the conversation elsewhere as well. So take care, and I will see you soon.